basically a grip top. You have to put your hand on phone. Let me show you how it works. Don't mind this sticky panel that is coming from my case, but what I mean is 3M here. Just stick on the cover of your phone, something like this, and then you hold it. So it's basically a grip top. That's so cute. That's adorable. I don't want to waste it because this one have problem. I'm gonna try to take it out. It's very sticky right now. Can't able to take it out. I mean, I used this for years, so yeah, but what I mean, you can use like this. Hell yeah! That's so cool. That's so cool. That's so cool. Okay, wait, I use my right hand. That's very cool. What do you guys think? That's so cute. That's so cute. Okay, we'll take a picture. My grip top. Okay, don't peel off, don't peel off. And then you just snap it back. It's very soft, so I don't think it will hurt your fingers or anything. Like all the corners are very soft, which is nice, and it's so cute. Okay, I have that, and then I also have Ziploc bags. Oh my god, I'm super excited. You can tell. So I have two design and two shape of the Ziploc bag. Let me quickly grab one, and then the second one. I think I will make it available when my shop updates, but I will let my patron to have it first. Yeah, I will let my shop to have it first. But this is so nice. I mean, the quality is great. So what you can do is basically you put your cards and you put your own, your necessity. Should this card have my information? Okay, so you unzip. Okay, I just zipped it. You unzip. What you have, you can put a few cards in. Your membership card or anything, you just put in the card. It can fit nicely inside. Put the side, and then my eye drop, my old lady nose heel. I always have a stuffy nose and I get car sickness. Can I fit this in? Okay, wait. Let's play Tetris. Can, but it's a bit tight, so I most probably would just use this few, and then you zipped it. Hell yeah! Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh, you can also, this is the second design. You can also use for your, oh, this is very cute. I mean, this bag, it's rounded shape, so I have this round mirror. I don't want to show myself, but yeah, round mirror. Look at this. Okay, can I able to put my cards in? That's the problem. Okay, let me check. Put my cards. No? Yes? Okay, I try once only. No! Oh wow, okay. As you can see, it's fit perfectly. So you can use both for your cards. Hell yeah! That's so cute. That's so nice. Okay. That's so nice. This is my Starbucks card. That's super nice. And one more thing. Is this? Give me a sample of how the charms looks like. Another 2 samples, but let me show you. This is the packaging. So they have rainbow, have my classic palette, round palette for your creativity juice. So what I wanted to have is basically some white space here, so you can, or you, if you want to, use your where's my markers? Where's all my markers when I need them? Shoot. I'm not sure if this is permanent markers or not, but I got it from Daiso. So I wrote my name here. So in the permanent markers, although it's not in the same layers because the printing is at the bottom here, but yes, you can write your name or you can write behind. So that's why I left it blank. But I mean, I'm not actually find it troublesome because I like how it looks like. So it would dangle like this. Focus camera. Yep, but the cute thing about it is you can use it for your bag. Okay, wait, I'm just too excited. Just knock the dot, and here you go. Here you go. Holy crap! Isn't that cute? Okay, I put put back the things I have. My mirror and my cards. Guys, I don't know what to say, but I love. I have keep two for myself. The one that I already opened. I'm not sure if I want to use different different charms for the different bag, but I love it. So yeah, this one says dreams. So my bunny, can be dream in your dreams, like literally you're sleeping and you're dreaming, or it can be any dream that keep reminding you yourself that you should always dream about the future. So this will be available for my Patreon shop first. I will soft launch it first, and then I think like around November, like beginning of November, I will make like an official shop update for everyone, so you can grab it for your Christmas gift or New Year gift and stuff. This you can use it for your next year. This is so adorable. I'm so happy. So I have this one, and this one. Okay, I'm going to edit the video. I'm too excited for all these products, but this is so cute. This is so cute. Like, look at the quality. I'm so grateful. Yeah. So okay. I will be having Halloween stuff. These are going to be the packages that I'm gonna put my stationery inside. I got them from Daiso. So this is the mini sticker pack is going to be inside here. The design I'm going to show in a later date. But then I just want to show you the packages that I'm going to put them in. They're very cute. Very cute. Since we don't actually have autumn in Singapore where I'm staying, so I really want to celebrate it either on my journals or I just give you guys candies. And I'm going to have also this mini originals that I'm listing them on my shop this month. This girl with the autumn leaves, this bunny, and friends. So they are going to be on my latest shop. So I will sign and put date and put my logo at the back later on if someone adopt them. So that is that. And then we're going to have new washi tape, autumn day washi tape. You get either from Pancake Tape, which is $35. Here's the samples from inside. I have my logo, and then this is the design. Let me just peel it off so you guys can see. Bunny with autumn scenery, some pumpkin. So what the bunny do is a pumpkin spice pie. Our friend, since we didn't got our squirrel friend for this month, so I put him here as well. So we all, no one should be alone. You should always hang out with your friends. So this is the washi tape for this month. I mean, yeah, that's it for today. I'm going to go and prepare all the shop update. The shop update going to be on 6th of October with Halloween stuff. This limited stock of this because I'm going to put in the actual shop, online shop outside. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.